Another reason for being out here is it gives you much better view of people coming out from side entrances. Station crossing ahead. Parked vehicle on the zigzags. I guess we got to do it. VU17DHD. Nobody in the van. Now, interestingly enough, they're not breaking the law by overtaking me on the zigzags. I mean, maybe you'd like to see a bit more care from them, but because I'm not a motor vehicle, that law of not overtaking on zigzags applies specifically to mechanically propelled vehicle overtakes.